What's up, guys? And we're
What
here,
up?
We're here playing Connect 4.
This boy right here always kicks my butt. But he's going down today.
Nope.
Taking him down. Getting him down.
I'll go first.
Beating you.
I don't
What?
think so.
You always get to go first. It's no fair.
Because I'm younger.
I want to go first. Fumble.
Okay, that's a little weird.
Hey, we always start that way for some reason. I don't know.
You really don't know what's up?
See what you're doing.
I'm not doing anything.
It ain't gonna happen, son.
Got 3 in a row. And so do you. Now it's the waiting game.
The waiting game.
Or I could just find another strategy and I'll win.
You ain't got no strategy.
I already got another one. I already got another 3 in a row. If it's 3 in a row, I win.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you see it. You better believe it. And I'm already thinking of another one. You're like, I'm not gonna let that happen.
Well, it's worth a try, son.
I told the people in the crowd I win.
Oh, man, that's no fair.
I'm red. You can't see it. Bam, bam, bam.
That is no fair, dude.
Winner goes first.
Winner does not go first.
Yeah, it is.
You always got the advantage because you always win.
Exactly.
So I go first.
Go ahead, I'll still beat him.
No, you're going down this time.
You positive?
All you gotta do is distract you. Distract you with, you want a piece of candy? Do you want some candy? Do you want some candy? I ain't gonna let you win.
You're good at Connect 3, but I keep stopping you.
I should get to play like 2 at a time now.
No,
You play 1 at a time, I play 2 at a time.
no.
It's only fair,
It's not.
because you're better.
No.
Are you gonna go?
Yes, I'm thinking of strategies, man. Gotta let the brain work. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. I don't know if he sees it, but it's happening.
I see your 3 in a row. Is that what you're talking about?
No. I'm talking about I have a big clutter of just air. Like, it's all this room over here. Yeah, I'm not going over there. No more of that. Dude, I don't know how you saw that.
How I saw it with my eyes. My eyes. You know how I saw it?
With your eyeballs.
With my eyes. I like seeing things with my eyes. My eyes see things. I like my eyes. My eyes see things. Stacks. Oh, you weren't supposed to go there, John. I wanted to get 3 in a row. Not to stop you. I have to stop you. That was my goal. And achieved it.
I'm at 4.
Oh!
Like a boss.
Jeepers creepers.
I'm playing a silent treatment, so I can just like let him talk and talk and talk while he just gets distracted with his
Alright.
own words. I'm gonna give you candy. Well, I just gave him candy.
Good game. We always play best of 3.
Yeah, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
But we're just gonna keep playing for quite a while. We're not playing 3, we're playing more. So who's going first?
Peace out.
See you later, alligator. We might be able to play another game.